Hello Metro Gang, welcome back to another video. I am here with Tony and I am here with Aiden. And we are gonna check out
It's been a long time for...
Yeah, it's been a while. But we are gonna check out the new update and yeah, is everybody ready? Oh yeah, you have to make your intro too. You have to make your intro.
That was the intro.
Did he die?
I think so.
Yo,
I just got launched super.
Where is he?
He got launched.
Where is he?
Anyways, with
Yeah,
that...
I got launched to Mount Everest.
Hey, get over here.
Go back.
Anyways, with that, we're gonna head straight to it.
Yeah, bro. This is my first time checking it. I might be a few days late, but okay. Aiden, go to the new map. Yo, is this the Backrooms? I'm guessing.
Yo, bro, guess what finally happened?
Yo, let me try this. Let me do the honors. Oh my god.
No, we didn't do the artist question. Wait, where is he?
Whoa.
Oh, he is hideous.
I don't even know how. Hold on, let me do the honors. This is my first time. Let me do the honors.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay,
Go.
let me do it. This is my first time.
Go. Okay, now go like this.
What did you guys?
That's it, boys.
Yo, what is this? Oh my.
Bro, they made it already cool so far, bro.
Oh no, bro. Yo, this is scary.
Just make sure to look at her. Wait, what is it? This is a key.
Oh no. Yo, who is that?
Make sure to look at her.
Come here, sweetie. Yo, let's see what we get.
Yo, I think I found a key card. I think I found one.
What did we got? Come on, guys. Whoa. Yo.
Try Dookie on you. Okay, this doesn't really have anything. Hey, I found a key card, but I lost it. I'm trying to refind
Guys,
it.
I hear something.
Wait, Metro, come.
I hear something. Where? I hear something.
I know where to go to get the most rare item in the game.
No, I'm trying to go to next levels. I heard there's next levels.
Yeah, I know. This is the next level.
No, like there's elevators.
I found the.
So we have to go over there. There's a hallway that leads to a fun place.
You telling me you've been here before? No. What's wrong with you? I hate you.
Revolver!
Dude, that thing is terrifying.
I know. Wait, was that candy?
No, he's like,
Yeah,
he's like this. Let's go to the next floor, guys. Guys.
Okay, Metro, now we're actually going to the real place.
Please stop! Don't lie.
Yo, we're not lying.
I seen videos. Oh no.
Employee of the year will be here though. So we're gonna kill him for you. We're gonna kill him.
Heck no, bro. Oh no, no, guys, wait for me. Wait for me. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Yo.
That doesn't work.
Uh-oh. A pickaxe. Okay.
There's a phone call.
Metro, come with me.
There's a phone call.
Who cares?
Yo, let me do this. Yo. Ow.
Wait. I'm sorry.
Let me do.
I'm sorry.
Let me do this. Wait.
Yo, we closed it, dummy. Open it. I'll do it. Open the ghost.
Whoa. Nah. Oh my.
Got him.
Holy. Oh no.
Son of a nutcracker.
Nah.
I hate that.
Yo, why my flashlight turning off?
Why you like that?
Where are
Wait,
you guys?
we need to show him the ducky crystals. Metro, look at these ducky crystals. No, oh, you? No.
Guys, I'm stuck. Guys,
Metro, by the way, you can get research points out of these.
whoa.
Let's open this.
Oh, no.
No! Hey, collect the duckies! We gotta collect the ducks.
Let me do this. Let me do this.
Okay. Guys, get the ducks in your backpack. Come. Guys, you have to get the ducks in your backpack.
Guys.
Hey, man. Yeah, you do.
Yo, I don't know. There's. Yo, let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
You have to put the ducks in your backpack.
Guys, made it.
No, do it again, do it again. Yo, wait, no, guys, we gotta collect the ducks.
No.
Do it.
Hurry, ready? Hurry. Get ready. Tony.
Bro. Go. Okay, we're here.
Where's Tony? Where's Tony?
It didn't work.
Or then go up. No, okay, yeah. Let him cook, chat. Nah, bro, I'm scared.
Don't worry.
Cause those are police, bro. Yo, get back. Tony's coming. Yo.
No, wait, this is the beginning.
Oh, you're telling me this is the beginning?
Oh. Yeah.
What about the second falls?
Hey. Be careful.
Oh, what does it? What is the jump scare?
You don't have a jump
I'm looking at you.
She does. She does have a jump scare.
Oh, look, it's another flashlight. Chat, what is this?
Stop. Let's drink some coffee.
Let's go, chat. Guys, where should we go? Oh, down here. No, not there. Over here? Or over which way? Where's Tony? Tony!
Guys, come. So Metro. Come. Metro, you want to see the jump scare?
No?
No, guys. Ah!
I fucking slipped, nigga! Fuck!
Guys, follow me. Follow me.
Yo!
Down your hands, Coda. Stop the cat.
Yo, what is
You
this?
slap my head, dummy.
Yo, wait. Oh, there's too much. Yo. How big is this? Hey! How big is this place?
That wasn't me.
Stop trying to kill me, bro. That's unfair.
No, monkey.
I'm trying to make a video. You're ruining it, bro. You're ruining it, bro.
What's this?
I don't know. Yo, Aiden, we found something. Close it on Aiden.
We're gonna be baited behind. Hello. Yo, it's on nothing. We can finally see what it looks like.
Come on, chat. Let's go.
Oh.
You made it in.
Oh, what?
Come on, chat. We're on second floor.
Yo, what is this?
It's just a old. Yo. Yo.
Guys, look away from her.
Wait,
Look away. Guys,
what
look
if
away. Wait, Tony, don't kill it. Don't kill it. Guys,
yo, that's what she looks like up close.
Guys,
that's what she looks like up close.
Guys, look away. Look away.
Oh my
Metro,
god.
look away.
No.
Metro, look away.
What if I don't want to? Black.
Well, then you're black.
That's racist.
Guys, stop. I wanted to see her lengthy arms. No!
Yo, this thing is used.
This thing's huge.
Bro, this thing is like 50
Why is this
stories.
thing It might even be massive.
Like the,
Like
yo,
the-
guys,
no!
key card. I think. Key card.
Yeah. Tony, you want to know what I just realized? There's so many key cards here.
Collect it.
Watch out for this. Collect every single key card.
Guys. Whoa.
Yo.
Guys, check.
Wait. You got this is.
Yo, let's see it. Let's see it. I wanted to see it.
Guys, look away. Guys, look away. Guys, look away.
What if
Trust
I don't
me.
want to?
Bro, then I'm not gonna.
Hey,
do this.
monkey.
I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna leave. If you don't look away, I'm leaving.
What if I want?
3, 2, 1, look away.
Why?
Oh my god, bro. Just
Oh,
do
no.
it. Just do it. Why are you still looking? I have no idea.
I want to see
I'm just
it.
staring down. Stupid woman. Mitchell died.
Guys, can you come back? I'm too scared. Can you give me my stuff back?
Come back.
I'm coming to the office.
Come and get your stuff, monkey. Black.
You're on the second floor, though. No, I'm coming anyway. I hear you guys.
Hey, come on.
Guys, where's my stuff?
It's over
Right
here.
Guys, wait. Wait.
It's over here, Blackness. I'm the one who says that, Ring-a-tay. Bro. Okay, Orange, you can get. Okay, you're okay.
Let's go, chat. Let's go to third floor. I think.
Third floor.
Wait, isn't there like a second floor?
Yeah, this is bringing us to the second floor. Go.
Yeah, I think you didn't make it.
See? What?
Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Yeah. It's him. Bruh. I said it's him. Oh, nah. Oh, my God.
But you got so scared.
Oh, nah.
What happened to it?
I can't.
Duckies, collect the dogs.
What?
Collect my dogs.
Hey, yo. Guys, you have to find the other.
Here.
Where are you, monkey? Guys, go to the other one.
I'm gonna shoot you if you don't. I'm stuck.
Yo, Tony, no. We have to go back. What's wrong with you? You're a savage.
I'm coming back locked and loaded.
Yeah. Yo, he needs his grapple. Oh, fuck you.
The grappler's right here. Grappler's right here.
Yo, there's a running Yo, I'm terrified.
Bro, shut up and during that.
Is that regular if I'm terrified?
Wait, Metro. What if we do a video staying in here?
I'm coming back, monkey.
Wait, should it be last to leave?
Last
Yo, I
to
saw
leave,
something.
back.
I saw something.
Tony.
Nah. Wait, why does he drop me?
Wait, come.
I show me.
Metro.
There you go.
Metro, what if
What?
we do last to leave this room?
Yeah. And we have to sit on the chairs. We're like on the chair. Yo, what happens if I grab this?
Oh no.
Yeah, nothing happened.
What happens if
Yo,
I
I saw the
reload my
monster.
thingy and shoot you? What if I just shoot you?
I saw the monster.
I don't care.
Did the monster terrify me?
Bro, you are terrified.
Oh no. Yo, where's Tony? Tony, you almost there? Yo!
Oh my god! That gave me a heart attack.
Tony, you're almost there?
I self-destruct.
I think that was him.
Hey, you were about to self-destruct.
I'm
I'm
a
gonna
noodle.
self-destruct you. I'm
Bruh,
gonna self-destruct you.
stop, please. Stop, you're gonna ruin the video. You're flashbang me.
Wait, come down here,
Flashbang me. I wanna get flashbanged. Wow, that feels nice. Yo, I hear something. He's coming. Wait! The employee is at next spot, but it's in VR, which is horrifying.
Yeah, you wouldn't have guessed that already, bro. That was the employee on the picture.
Wait, you're telling me the employee is just at the next spot?
Help! The employee, they turned him into a next spot.
Why?
Where are you, monkey?
We're inside. We're inside the second
He
floor.
just jumped out of nowhere. He jumped out of nowhere.
Nah, bro.
Wait, I got an idea.
Yo,
Whoa.
did you self-destruct? Is that you? Yo, I think.
Just come back.
Do you
That's wrong,
really?
you gonna self-destruct.
No.
Now I need to reload.
I dare to touch the floor. I want to see if the next spot comes.
No way, Jose. Maybe when you kill the next one. Bro, I'm stuck!
Yeah, I think we need to go back to Antonio.
I think we're cooked. That's what I think.
Nah, bro. Nah! I'm too scared, bro.
Come back.
Get what?
Oh! It's him! It's him!
Get in!
Come here, little fella.
Get in!
Yo, why does he laugh like that?
Oh no, he's a goofy ass. Emery!
Yo, Tony! Yo, no time for.
Let's go get him. Let's go back.
Yeah, he's somewhere over there. Yo, where are you? Where are you? Nope. Where are you?
Where are you?
Monkey! He's somewhere over there. Hey, he must be in this. Monkey.
I know.
No, it's him.
No!
It's him, chat. Guys, help.
Guys, I got him. That's so loud.
Yeah, why is it so loud? Yo, where's Tony?
I got it!
Tony!
Where is all of my stuff?
Tony! Yo, bro, I can't. Here's light.
Dude, I went there.
Nope.
The first time I was here, I came here. Bea! No!
Monkey! There must be...
Let me see.
Yo, monkey! Monkey!
No! Stop. Oh, I hear him!
I hear him. He's getting closer. Monkey!
What?
Where are you?
Where are you? I'm up down here.
Down here. Oh. Oh, I see you, monkey.
Where's all my stuff? Where's
I
my
don't
stuff?
know.
Oh, hello.
Oh, follow me.
Oh, all your stuff.
I know. Follow me. It's over here. Oh, actually, it's not up here. Go down. Go down. Go down. It's over here. Follow me.
Yeah, guys, come.
Come here, Tony. It's... Follow me. Tony. Look for it.
It could have despawned.
Aiden, what is wrong with you?
Bro, it didn't. Bro, what do you expect me to pick it up? Before
No!
it
Oh,
despawned?
shoot! Oh, no.
Bro,
Oh,
it
it's right
despawned
there.
because it wasn't.
It's right there,
It
chat.
despawned. Oh, shoot. Chat, wait, don't kill it. I want to see it.
Don't do it.
Oh my god. Whoa. That's sick.
Is that really him?
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm leaving this video 6
I'm gonna distract him.
What if I fire a warning sign?
I'm gonna distract him. Yo,
Huh?
I think he respawned. Yo, what kind of thing is that? Does it really look like that? Damn. No, no.
Get my big grappler and leave.
I would try to. Okay. Okay. Oh no! Ah! Jesus. Yo, I might have to join you back, cause I'm bro. Too scared. I'm too scared.
Do you have the big grappler?
Oh my god. Yo. No, I had to leave. It was camping. By the way, the door was closed. No, but it was camping right next to the door. And I couldn't outrun it. You know how fast it is. Skibidi. Sure.
Donations. I have 2 of those, brother.
Oh, I could buy something.
Donation.
Yeah.
Somebody.
I got. Yeah. I need it. I need.
I said donation.
I'm joining.
I usually donated.
Donation.
No.
Can
I get some grappling?
Where are you?
I get some grappling.
Can you light this?
We both need donations.
I need
one.
I need one. Light it and give it to me. How do you get that?
Okay.
Yeah.
What?
Can someone light
Yeah.
this silver phone and give it to me?
Oh, that's a lot. That's actually a lot.
Yeah.
Did you type in a random code? Drin? Oh, I see you. Yeah.
Okay, let's show them again.
No, it has to be the end of the video. Hey, guys, Metro. You want to do the honors?
No, you do it.
Metro Gang, we are gonna be out. But hold on, somebody needs to talk.
You're such a big baby for not getting my big grappler glove. You know how important that is to me? What you doing? Yo. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it.
I am unfriending you.
No!
You're unfriended now.
Wow.
Bye, Metro Gang. Bye.